Alright guys, what's up? It's SoCal CTS-V back with part 3 of putting the car back together. So, as you guys can see, now it's all taken apart. In the last 2 parts you saw me first take off the first part of it, which was the lid and the supercharger. And then next part was taking off the heads. And my buddy Alan, which you'll see in a little while, he went and got my heads worked on at West Coast. So thank you to them and him. But it's time to put this girl back together. And hopefully we'll get a first start today. Not everything's in today, so we're not gonna get a full start. Just maybe a quick one, because I'm waiting on some coolant parts. But from there, we're gonna get started. All right, these are those heads I was just telling you guys about. Nice ported, new dual springs, everything. Nice and shiny, looking brand new. So the new lifters and trays are in. Next, putting our ARP bolts. But this is the man, the myth, the legend. I know you haven't seen him probably on my channel, but he's been on YouTube a couple times. I've seen him around on our buddy Shooter Racer's channel, but he's out here helping me since he had 2 LSAs and 2 Vs. What was it, a 7? No, an 8-second and a 9-second?
The coupe stick shift was a 10-second, and the the automatic wagon was in the 9s.
2 monsters, that's what it sounds like.
That's
2
right.
monsters. Goals are to be that one day.
And it will be.
Hopefully soon.
And more.
Probably, but I don't know. But we're getting to install these guys next. Some nice ARP 2000. Alright guys, so I'll move this fuel roll out the way. The heads are sitting on. The head studs aren't put in yet. Or they're resting in. They're not torqued down or anything yet, but it's slowly coming together. Slowly. And we're gonna have some fun putting on power steering and a couple other things next. Heads are on. Now for all this other BS. Alright guys, so I kinda messed up. Forgot recording. I got too carried away. But put the catch can in. Valve covers are done down there. Supercharger's on. Auto body. So it's coming together. It looks like we're gonna be able to finish it today. The fuel rails gave us a little bit of a problem, but nothing too crazy. I gotta get these ANs done. Throw the throttle body on. Lid, ice tank, and time to call it. Alright guys, so we're about to get first startup. It's been months since it started. It's fully together. Beautiful. I don't have the strut tower on, but we're not driving it anywhere yet. I need to get somebody to come. Alright guys, I'm coming out here to end it right now because it's been a long day. I had worked late last night and the car's finally done. So as you can see, put back together. It's been a long day. Me and, well, my buddy Alan, the one you guys saw earlier, got here at 7. I didn't get home until like 2 o'clock from work yesterday, so a little tired. It's probably about 4 o'clock now. But I just want to thank you guys for watching part 3 of basically rebuilding my V. Probably the next part will be installing the auxiliary pump, and after that we hit the dyno, and maybe I'll show you guys some numbers, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.